Hello friends, good morning all. In the last class we studied what's a planet, what's a satellite, etc. And today we are going to study other two important points, that is rotation and revolution. Okay, so all of you listen here. First of all, we can study about rotation. All of you look here. You can see the picture of rotation here. Can you understand anything? Our Earth is a planet. You know that. So, our Earth always moves around its own particular path. You studied that. What's the name of that particular path? Yeah, what's that? Very good. Orbit. Okay. So, our Earth always moves it's a particular path, that is its own orbit. That movement of the earth is called rotation. Okay, so earth always moves around its own axis on a particular path, that is known as what? Rotation. Clear? So this rotation takes 1 day. So, do you know 1 day how many hours? Yes. What's that? 24 hours. So, all question paper you can see this question, that is compare rotation and revolution. So, this part is very important one. So, I am going to write what are the important features of rotation. So, rotation is the movement of the earth around its own axis. That is the first point. Okay, earth moves around its own axis, that is known as what? Rotation. And next point, rotation takes 24 hours, or we can say 1 day. So, one rotation earth takes 24 hours. Okay, then another important result, that means the effect of rotation is that it causes day and night. Day and night. You know that it is daytime, then after some hours later we can see the color of our atmosphere is totally changed, and finally we can't see the sun and we feel so dark. Okay, that time we call it as night. Then next day, that means tomorrow again we can see morning, the daytime, then again after that daytime we can see night. This process is going on. Then what is the main reason for this? It is because of the rotation of the earth. Okay, so what is rotation? The movement of the earth around its own axis is called rotation. The next point, rotation takes 24 hours, or we can say it needs 1 day. Clear? Then third point, what is the result of rotation? Rotation causes day and night. Okay, now we can study revolution. So, please note all these points. Okay, now we can study what is revolution. Look here, you can see the picture of revolution. Can you understand anything? What you can see here? What's that? Yeah, the earth is moving. The earth is moving around. Earth is moving around? Yes, the sun. The earth is moving around the sun. In the case of rotation, you studied the earth is moving its own axis. At the same time, the earth moves around the sun also. Clear? So, I am going to show an example for you. Suppose this stand is the sun and I am the earth. Okay. Now, first of all, I am going to move in a rotation model. So, all of you look here. Suppose I am the earth and I am going to move by standing my own axis. All of you look here. I am going to move like this. Clear? So, it is rotation. That is, I just completed one full round by standing my own axis. At the same time, the sun is here. Okay. So now you understood what is rotation. Then again, I am moving like this way. All of you listen here. Can you see? So I completed 2 rotations. That means the 2 day is over. Then suppose I completed many rotations and now I am standing here. That is, sun is here, I am here. That means I completed my rotation. And I moved around the sun. Okay. Then again listen here. I am rotating like this. Okay. That means I am rotating by standing my own axis. At the same time, I am rotating around the sun also. Clear? Then after that, I rotating and finally I reached here. That means I started my rotation by standing from here and I completed my rotation. So many days I take and I completed my rotation around the sun. Suppose the stand is the sun and I completed my rotation around the sun. Clear? This movement of the earth around the sun is called what? Revolution. Clear? So what is revolution? The movement of the earth around the sun is called revolution. Okay. Then you know that for completing one rotation, the earth takes 24 hours or 1 day. You know that. Likewise, for completing one revolution, the earth takes 1 year. Please note that. 1 year. Or we can say 365 and quarter days. Okay. 365 and quarter days. That is the correct span of 1 year. Clear? So listen, revolution means the movement of the earth around the sun. That's the first point. Then the earth takes 365 quarter days or we can say 1 year for completing one revolution. Understand? Next point, you know that rotation causes day and night. Likewise, revolution also causes some important results. That means it causes changing of the seasons or we can say it causes the formation of the seasons. You know that in our country, June, July, August and some days of September also heavy rainy season. Clear? Then you know that March, April, May, that months are severe hot. That means that months are our summer season. So after completing summer season, our rainy season started. Likewise, December, January, then sometimes February also, we get severe cold. These are our winter seasons. So, what's the reason for the changing of summer, rainy season or winter season like that? The important reason is the movement of the earth around the sun. That means we can say the movement of the earth around the sun, that is revolution, is the main reason for seasons. Clear? So now you study 2 important points. What is rotation? What is revolution? So rotation is the movement of the earth around its own axis. Then the earth takes how many hours? Yes, 24 hours or we can say 1 day. Then what's the important result of this? It causes day and night. Understand? Next one, what is revolution? Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun. Okay, around the sun. Then the earth takes 1 year for completing one revolution. Okay, then revolution causes day and night. Clear? Okay, now I am going to stop here. Next class we can study some other important points. Okay, thank you.